New month spiritual assignment that you can do. It is very simple and it is very easy. Welcome to my page. If you are just joining us, kindly follow our page and kindly share this video if you enjoy what we are doing here. In this page, we talk about spiritual things, we talk about the nature, we talk about God, we preach the word of God in this platform. And kindly do well to follow our backup page on solution, tips, remedy. Now, I'm going to be teaching you guys a very simple assignment that you can do every new month, but you can as well do it every other day. You can decide to do it every other day. It does not really mean that you have to do it at the beginning of the new month. What you have to get, it is very simple. You just need 2 items to do this. It is very, very simple and it is very easy. Now, take note, it might be difficult for some people to get, while other people, it might be easy for them to get. If you are in the category that it is easy for you to get, kudos to you. Make sure you do it. But if you are the type that it will be difficult for you to get, look for someone that you can as well ask for them to get it for you. Or you go to any nearby where they sell native things, where they sell herbal things. Go there and meet them and tell them that you want this particular thing that I'm going to be listing to you guys now. Now, what are the 2 things you need? You need fertility leaf. Yes, you need fertility leaf. And you need native egg. Native egg. Now, if you don't have native egg, you can use normal agric egg. Take notes. If you go to herbal store, they will have both of them. They will definitely give you both the fertility leaves and the native egg. But in the case whereby you can't get the native egg, you go for your agric egg. This is what you are going to do. You are going to get a very big pot. You get a very big pot, a pot that the water you are going to put inside that pot will be enough for you to take your bath. The water you are going to put inside that pot, it will be enough for you to take your bath. The amount of water you are going to put inside that pot is what you are going to use to take your bath. You cannot use another water to top it up after doing what I'm going to share with you guys. Now, you are going to take that pot. You are going to put your fertility leaves inside the pot. Then you are going to take your agric egg and put it at the center. Then you are going to take another fertility leaves and use it to cover the egg. In other words, you are going to get enough quantity of fertility leaves. Now, when you get your fertility leaves, you have to divide it into 2. Divide it into 2 parts. I'm going to show you an example on how you are going to do it. So let's say, for example, this is the fertility leaves. But guys, this is not the fertility leaves, okay? This is not fertility leaves. I'm going to be using this one as an illustration for you guys. Why this is my pot, you can use the bigger pot. You have to use the big pot, okay? So I'm using this small pot as an example. Now, I'm going to divide this leaf into 2. So after dividing the leaves into 2, don't forget I said you have to use enough fertility leaf. Get as many as you can get. Now, what am I going to do next? I'm going to take this part of the fertility leaf, the one side, which is the half of it. I'm going to put it inside the pot. Now, after putting it inside my pot like this, then I'm going to take the egg. I will take the egg and place it on the fertility leaves. Then the remaining half of the fertility leaves, I'm going to use it to cover the egg. I'll use it to cover my egg, just like this. Then the next thing, you are going to put water. You are going to add enough water, and don't forget that you are going to be using a bigger pot. A bigger pot that can contain the quantity of water that you will use to take your bath. Don't forget, a bigger pot. This is just an illustration. This is just an illustration. So this is how it looks like. You add your water to it. So that is how you are going to do it. The video, the illustration I just gave you people now, that is how you are going to do it. Make sure your water is boiled. Take note that when you want to do this, you have to be prepared to take your bath. Now, when your water gets cold, you are going to take that water, Put it inside your bucket. Put it inside your bucket. And don't forget, you are going to be performing this at night. I repeat, at night, not in the daytime. You are only permitted to do it at midnight. Now, take that water and remove the egg from inside. When you get to your bathroom, you use that water with the fertility leaf. Use it to take your bath. As you are taking your bath, begin to ask God whatever you want him to do for you. Say whatever you want him to do for you inside that water while taking your bath. After taking your bath, do not dry up your body. Allow your body to dry up naturally without using towel. Now, if you are taking your bath, you are going to take your bath without sponge and without soap. That egg that you boiled inside the water, you are going to open it and eat it. Eat it that midnight, that very moment that you finish taking your bath. As you are eating it, begin to pray upon your life, begin to bless your life and bless everyone that is close to you. Ask the God of the universe, ask the God of the nature, whatever you want in this new month. When you are done with it, then you go and sleep. Don't forget to always follow this page and don't forget to share this video. God bless you. I'll see you in our next video. Bye.